In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund on Squarespace. Understanding how to request a refund can be a crucial skill if you find yourself needing to cancel your plan within the allowed time frame. Generally, it's important to keep in mind that you're eligible for a refund from Squarespace only if you cancel your subscription within 14 days of the initial purchase of an annual plan. Now let's walk through this process together. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Squarespace. You can do this by visiting their website and logging into your account. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Get Started button and click on it. This action will guide you through to their main dashboard area. After clicking Get Started, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look towards the menu on the left-hand side where you'll see several options. What's needed now is to dive into the Settings section. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll see an option for Billing. Go ahead and click that to continue with the process. Now that you're in the Billing section, the next step is to focus on your subscription details. You'll want to locate the tab or section labeled Subscription. It's here where you'll find all the information related to your current plan, including the option to cancel your subscription. When you see the option for an annual paid subscription, go ahead and select it to initiate the cancellation process. This step is critical because canceling your subscription is what triggers the eligibility for a refund. Once your cancellation request is set, the refund itself will generally be processed back to your original payment method if it's within the approved 14-day window. Now, if you happen to be outside this window, or if any issues arise during the process, I'd recommend reaching out to Squarespace support. They're equipped to handle any queries or concerns you might have, and they'll be able to assist you further with any specific questions regarding your account or refund eligibility. And there you have it. By following this straightforward procedure, you should be able to successfully request a refund if needed. Just remember the importance of the timing. Acting within those first 14 days ensures you meet the necessary criteria for getting your money back. If you run into any snags or uncertainties, don't hesitate to seek assistance from Squarespace's support team. They can make a significant difference in navigating any complications you encounter. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process a little clearer for you.